Welcome back, guys, and we'll start directly with color grading in Premiere Pro. So first we will add the adjustment layer, and from here actually previously I added this Lumetri Color node here. So I just deleted. Okay, now take the adjustment layer, or directly you can work with this clip also. So previously I explained, take a adjustment layer, and over the adjustment layer you can directly add colors or whatever you want to do. You can do that. So I'm just doing over this video layer directly now. So the thing is, if I adjust, see from here I explained, you can see the Lumetri scopes, means all the color values directly you can adjust, or you can see from here. You cannot adjust, you have to adjust from this window. This is called the color Lumetri color. So inside that you can like work. So here if you see in the right hand side, basic thing is the colors, lights, and the basic correction. So the first thing is see FX, right? Inside the FX means you can add your color things like add Lumetri color effects. So from here we are adjusting directly the Lumetri values. So like any color adjustment you've done before that and you would like to add here, you can. So the thing is, uh, basic correction I want to do. So the basic correction, if you know, like in the Photoshop or any other application, if you use to edit the images or the video, there you will see a little bit grade options, that is the levels, curves, okay, and the hue, saturation. Actually these are the basic functions which we do use mainly for grades the images, right? So when you go for the levels, that is, it's directly work with black points and the white values. So you can adjust the bright point and the darker points, right? When you go for the hue, there you will see color options. So directly you can change the color value. Saturation means from there you are going to increase the value of the color. Okay, so the these are the basic parameters which you have to do every time. So now this time we are adjusting the color correction basics from here. So I think everyone is aware about this thing, input LUT. So LUT, it means the lookup tables. Lookup table is a kind of presets. Presets means color presets. So directly you can add the presets directly from here. So these are the presets, or you can download from the internet also. So from here you can directly download the LUTs. If you have, then you can directly insert. So I'll explain how we can use the templates in video like color grading. So I'll explain you in the next upcoming video. So from here we are adjusting, only the thing is the colors, and then we'll see the lights. So inside the color means, if you see here, actually this is the white balance, right? So white balance means this is the white balance, right? And inside that you want to adjust something, so you would like to add the temperature like this. See? So if I adjusted this color and tint like this, and saturation, what it does, I said, see, temperature means you are going to increase the like warm values. Warm means warm colors, right? And here you can see the cool colors. So directly you can adjust the cool and the vibrant color. And inside the tint you can add the value of color directly over this video. So from here I adjust, see, if I increase the value of this tint, decrease the value of tint, it is going to increase the green value, right? And I see, see, this is the purple value if I increase in the tint. So this is the option, but I'm not going to work with these things, but I want to go for like definitely for the warm color I want to add, then I have to go with this temperature, right? And in the light, I said in the light means light is a different parameter. There you can adjust the exposure, contrast. Okay, means here we are going to set the black value and the white values, right? So If I say exposure means I want to increase the white balance from the scene. So I increase the white balance like this, so I can increase. But see, we need some darker values inside this video. So if I decrease this value like this, I can go with this exposure option. And I want to adjust the contrast like this. So now I can see foreground and background differently. So if I increase the contrast like this, okay, and also you will see highlights. So inside the highlighted areas, you would like to add the value, again the white value directly you can adjust like this. See, if I decrease the highlight value, it is going to dark all the brighter values. See, and if I increase, see, brighter value is going to increase using this option. And like shadows is what means. Shadows is like these are the shadows area. So inside that, you would like to add or you would like to remove the shadows like this. If I want to remove, like I have to increase the values, right? And if I go with darker values, so I can add the darker values. So if I adjusted these things, means lighting part, then I can see background and foreground separately, and I can check my image is more clearer than before whatever we inserted inside first time in the Premiere. So I can see, and like white value and black value. So similarly, if I am increasing the exposure and doing the contrast, so directly I can directly work with white values and the black values like this. So if I go with this option, right, like say this. Now the thing is, it's time to change the color. Means you not change the color, just I want to highlight all the colors which is here inside this video. So I want to increase the value of the green, blue, okay, and all the colors which is here, yellow. So I want to increase the saturation. So I said saturation, what it does, saturation means it is going to increase the value of color. If I go with this option, like see, if I'm increasing this value, now I can see all the green color become proper green, and blue automatically highlighted here. So this is the saturation, means if you increase, you can see the color. If you decrease, it means you are going to change, you are going to remove the colors from your scene. So this is the saturation, right? If you go with zero value of the saturation, means it will become black and white. And if you increase, then you will see all the colors visibility inside your short scenes or the image. Now here I can see skin, I can see this color, jeans color, right? All the greenery systems I can see here. So this is the basic correction which you can adjust or you can change, you can work. So this is the way where you can do the color grades, right? So this is the basic correction. So, and like I said, here we can change or we can adjust in different ways, and different way we have to adjust the colors of the scene. So this is the way. And second way is the creative. So I'll explain you this in the next session. So again, we will meet in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.